Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi-ke uyaphila-ke. Mina-ke nje ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke mawukuthi-ke usamusha kulona-ke ikhasi-ke leli-ke noma-ke kuwukuthi-ke uyaqala ungena kulona-ke wenze nje okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungaphumi-ke ungangixhasile kungacindezelanga-ke ibhathini usubscribe nje akubizi imali kumahhala nje ukhishwe nesenti-ke lemnyama-ke leli-ke kwenza ukwazi ukuthi-ke uyibhekise ethubeni lokuthi-ke uyithole zonke-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha ngizobe ngiza nazo ngiyifaka kulona-ke ikhasi-ke leli-ke ukuze zingakuphutheli lezo ndaba ngenze njengamanje ukuthi-ke ungabe-ke ucindezela-ke ibhathini usubscribe njengamanje. Udaba kulethele lona-ke namhlanje kulethele udaba olushaqisayo-ke laphana-ke ingozi-ke enyantisayo-ke ibhasi-ke laphana-ke eyenzeke eGoli-ke laphana moya-ke o-R Tambo-ke International Airport la kushone khona-ke abantu-ke abangu-12 kwalimala-ke abangu-45. Abezindaba-ke abasondelene nakhona-ke laphana-ke bayifikele bona-ke endaweni-ke yesigameko babhalile-ke laphana-ke ba-report-a-ke ngizokubhalela-ke umbhalo-ke abawubhalile-ke bathi 12 people have lost their lives and several others are left injured following a bus crash on the 12R northbound near the OR Tambo International Airport on Gauteng's East Rand. The accident occurred around 06:45. 45 people have been transported to the hospital. Many of these people were commuting to work. The city of Ekurhuleni expressed its deepest condolences to the affected families and vowed to uncover the cause of the incident. MMC for Road and Transport Planning in Ekurhuleni, CR Andile Makhwevu shared sorrow as the devastating scene. To see so many bodies lying on the ground is quite saddening, and the city really feels for the families who would have expected to see their loved ones return home and later today. Our hearts are extremely heavy, Mungwevu said. He further assured the public that authorities will conduct a thorough investigation, stating no stone will be left unturned. The city won't rest until the root cause of this fatal accident is found. Sifungeza komela-ke laphana-ke isiphathimandla ukuthi-ke ngeke-ke balale-ke laphana-ke noma-ke bephumule-ke bengathulanga ukuthi-ke yini-ke edale-ke le ngozi lengaka-ke. Bathembisa-ke nabantu-ke abalimele ukuthi-ke bazokwazi ukuthi-ke baqomulise-ke baphiwe-ke noma-ke baxhaswe-ke ngezimali-ke laphana-ke uma kwenzeka belulama-ke ngoba-ke le ngozi-ke impela-ke baningi-ke abantu-ke abalimele-ke nabashonile-ke laphana-ke imindeni-ke yabo-ke labantu ikhala-ke izimathonsi-ke laphana. Mina ngizocela phansi ngama-comment section ngefushiye uvulo lakho ukuthi na ucabangani-ke ngalokho udaba-ke lolu-ke osewenze kulungile nje ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini usubscribe nje akubiza imali kumahhala nje ukhishwe nesenti lemnyama-ke lekwenza ukwazi ukuthi uqhubeke uthole ezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke njengoba ngiyofakela zona-ke kulona-ke ikhasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje.